Assalamualaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal to everyone. Here again Farah Khan and you are watching Fulgent Facts. Today I bring the video about dangerous animal in the world. Before starting with the video, I would like to say if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe. If you like the video, press like, and if you want more notification, press the bell icon. So let's start. First, Cape Buffalo. Cape buffalo, which number around 9 lakh, are a relatively mild species when left alone, preferring to travel in massive herds to graze in early morning and late afternoon hours or to gather around watering holes to stay hydrated. However, if an individual or its calf is threatened or wounded, they become the incarnation of their nickname, Black Death, reportedly responsible for killing more hunters on the continent than any other creatures. Second, cone snail. Cone snail, found in the warm waters in the tropics. This beautiful creature, instantly recognizable for their highly prized brown and white marbled shells, can be seen in shallow depth closer to shore, near corals, reefs and rock formations, and beneath sandy shoals. But do not dare to touch the 4 to 6 inch long guest reports their concealed harpoon-like teeth. Third, golden poison dart frog. The poison dart is a large diverse group of brightly colored frogs, of which only a handful of species are particularly dangerous to humans. The most deadly, the golden poison dart, inhabits a small range of rainforest along Colombia's Pacific coast and grows to around 2 inches long, means roughly the size of a paper clip. But what makes the amphibian especially dangerous is that its poison glands are located beneath its skin, meaning a mere touch will cause trouble. Fourth, mosquito. Clocking in at just 3 millimeters at their smallest, the common mosquito even tinier than the tsetse fly. The primary vectors of disease such as malaria, chikungunya, encephalitis, elephantiasis, yellow fever, dengue fever, West Nile virus and the Zika virus, which collectively afflict an estimated 700 million and kill roughly 7,25,000 people each year. Fifth, tsetse fly. Often regarded as the world's most dangerous fly, the tsetse fly, a small speck of insect that measures between 8 to 17 mm or about the same size as the average housefly, is commonly found in sub-Saharan Africa, especially countries in the center of the continent. Sixth, black mamba. Those species like the boomslang or the king cobra are dangerous thanks to their respective poisons. The black mamba is especially deadly due to its speed. The species is the fastest of all snakes, slithering at speed up to 12.5 miles per hour, which makes escaping one in remote areas that much more difficult. Seventh, saltwater crocodile. Florida's alligators may be scary, but they have nothing on their cousin, the fearsome crocodile, which is more short-tempered, easily provoked, and aggressive towards anything that crosses its path. Of all the species in the world, the largest and most dangerous is the saltwater crocodile. These ferocious killers can grow up to 23 feet in length, weight more than a ton, and are known to kill 100 each year, with crocodiles as a whole responsible for more human fatalities annually than sharks. 8. Puffer fish. Puffer fish, also known as blowfish, are located in tropical seas around the globe. They are the poisonous vertebrate on the planet, means after the golden arrow dart frog. They are arguably more dangerous as their neurotoxin is found in the fish's skin, muscle tissue, liver, kidneys, and gonads, all of which must be avoided when preparing the creature for human consumption. Indeed, while wild encounters are certainly dangerous, the risk of death from a puffer fish increases when eating it in countries like Japan. So these are the some dangerous animal on the earth. I hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.